In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed X into GoHighLevel website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a post from X, formerly Twitter, and display it cleanly on a GoHighLevel page using the builder's custom HTML element. First, start on X. Open your browser and go to your feed or profile, then find the specific post you want to feature. Click into the post so you're viewing it on its own page. This single post view helps ensure you're embedding the exact content you intend, not a thread or a preview. Look for the three-dot More menu on the post and choose Embed Post. Depending on your view, you may see an additional prompt or a confirmation. Select Embed Post again to proceed. X will generate an embed snippet for you. Click to copy that code, and be sure you get the entire snippet, including both the block quote and the script tag. If the account is protected or the post was deleted, it won't render when embedded, so choose a publicly visible post. Now switch to your GoHighLevel account and open the website or funnel page you want to edit in the page builder. To make space for the embed, click the plus sign to add a new section, then choose Rows, and insert a one-column row. A single column gives the post a clean, full-width area and helps with responsiveness on mobile. You can drag this row to the spot where you want the post to appear in your layout. Inside that new row, click the small plus icon to add an element. Open Elements, locate the code tools, and select Custom HTML JavaScript. This is important because X's embed relies on a script, and this element is designed to handle that safely. Click into the code box and paste the embed code you copied from X. You don't need to modify it. If you want the post centered or spaced nicely, adjust alignment, padding, or margins in the row or column settings rather than editing the embed itself. Click Save to commit your changes. Wait for the save confirmation so you don't lose your work. Then preview the page. In preview mode, the X script will load and the post should render with live elements like the author, timestamp, and action buttons. If you briefly see plain text, give it a moment or refresh so the script can initialize. If the post doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted both the block quote and the script, and make sure any browser blockers aren't preventing X from loading. For a polished look on mobile, keep the one-column row and fine-tune spacing. That's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded an X post into your GoHighLevel website.